This is for my babies. My babies. My beautiful baby.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So today I will be gluing my frontal. I place the cap on my head, then put a little bit of a hole for the two ear so that my ear can hold it down. Then I will spray Göt2b glue around of where I'm going to glue the frontal. After spraying the glue, then I will dry with hand dryer in a cold heat, like not too much heat. After it dry, you can touch it, you feel it, everything is dry, it's not sticky again. Then you'll be cutting the excess cap you don't need. You trace your hair and cut it. After trimming it, then I will just spray Göt2b glue again to lay the one that raised up, to lay it down. Then I will use a wet towel to clean my forehead. Blend, use my foundation color to just apply for the cap so that it will be dark. Then I will cut the excess lace that is on the back side.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you.
I will be using ghost bond to glue it down. This is my first time of using it and my first time of doing frontal. I will just apply it around of my forehead and use the what I used to fix eyelashes to circulate it, make it wide to my cap and to my hair. So before you even finish applying for the other side is clearing, it will be clearly. The mistake I make here, guys, I didn't put the weave on exactly, the closure exactly the cap. If you can see inside, you will see the cap inside. I moved my weave on, my wig cap, I move it back a little bit. It was so difficult for me, but anyway, I take it like that. Practice make perfect. I will still try it again. I'm not giving up. So I will just use hand to match the wig down so that it will be glue nice. Then after that, I will cut the S lace that is in the front.
I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Original Batman.
Sorry, I was not looking at the camera, then I was looking at the mirror so that I will not cut the wig cap. I ordered this weave-on from AliExpress. I'm going to link the link down below. This is 8 inches. It's very full, 150 density. So I will just use my makeup brush, that foundation makeup brush, then just use it to blend it. I was really looking for something that will make it blend. Then after that, I will just use a mousse. This mousse is still Göt2b glue mousse. I will just spray it on one side because I want the hair to raise for one side. Just put a little baby hair, then comb it back. use a hand dryer to dry it, then flip the back side to the front. It will be high like that.
Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me.
So this is the final look, guys. As you can see, my first time, really sorry if it's not really neat. You can still do your own neat than my own. I'm still going to try. I was trying to explain, but the noise in the background, I have to silence that one. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below what you think, and turn on your notification. Anytime I upload, you will be notified. At the end, I see the look was not okay. I was trying to wipe it with a remover for lace wig glue, then it's not even working. Then the end, what I do, I use black eyeshadow, like to dark it little bit. It will be little bit dark, that pronunciation, like you can see where the powder and the closure just passed, like you can see everything. That place was little bit dark.
Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you.